is our latest acquisition. It's been donated to the park by Evan Groovy. It's out of a freighter that was built in Denmark, a very large diesel motor. The freighter came to New Zealand and it was converted to a fishing boat that worked out of Westport, and then it was brought into port to have some work done on it, and the crew disappeared and the boat was left derelict. So it's now been dismantled, and Evan Groovy from Greymouth got hold of the motor and he's donated it to the Heritage Park to be got back to a running condition and put on display.
Good. Will that go in the big shed there?
It will probably go in the big shed with the rest of our motors, yes. It'll be part of our revamp.
Yeah. Good.